Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The most famous Taiwanese rice mostly comes from Hakka villages. Rice production areas in the north include Taoyuan, Hsinchu, and Miaoli. In the south, there are the towns of Meinong and Liudui, while in the east, production is concentrated in Jishang, Fuli, Guanshang, and Luye. Fuli rice, from Hualien's Fuli Township, has passed rigorous testing in Japan and is now sold there as a delicacy.
Hey everybody, and welcome to another Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿炳哥 Leo。
大家好，我是 Tim Berge. Hey, you know, Leo, it's kind of interesting. I've noticed that in Taiwan, it seems that all the good rice comes from Hakka areas. 好像在台湾就是比较好的米，就是在客家庄产的。
大部分都是啦。
产米的地方比较有名的是哪里呢？
台湾的米其实很有名，像是在东部地区啊，因为好山好水就会出好米嘛。
So Eastern Taiwan, with the beautiful scenery and the plentiful rain and everything, produces good rice.
尤其是在东部的池上乡、池上乡、
池上乡、
池上乡。
池上乡，
就是池上乡那边的米是非常非常有名的，尤其是它便当在台湾的各地都可以看到，像池上饭包，很多池上饭包、
池上饭包、
池上饭包、
池上饭包。So that's the Chishang rice box from the eastern part of Taiwan. Chishang, an area which is famous for the wonderful rice it produces.
然后另外有一个地方叫做富里。
Okay, so this is another area famous for its rice, Fuli.
富里的米也是非常有名的，叫做富里米。然后它的便当呢，就是富里饭包。
Fuli饭包
就是富里饭包。
Fuli饭包就是 the rice boxes made in the Fuli area. Okay, but Leo, but how do you say rice in Hakka? 那客语这个米饭要怎么说呢？
米就是米，
米
饭呢就是番，米番。
Hey Leo, 还有我是想问你一个客语呢，就是每天都要吃饭，客语要怎么讲？就是 every day I need to eat. How do I say that in Hakka?
没问题啊，当夜就是每天
的意思就是 every day.
都爱吃饭，当夜都爱吃饭，像这个都可以套用到所有的其他的用词里头，比如当夜都爱去读书，就是每天都要去读书，就把后面那个换掉就可以了。
I prefer the other one, that every day we gotta eat. I think that's a little bit more enjoyable, okay? Well, that's it for another Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
什么大家爱吃谁？
张罗了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.